Hey friends, so I think that this is my candle making set. I hope so, because as you can see, I didn't open it. If not, I'm videoing for no reason. But I try to get back into epoxy, and not to say that I won't do a little bit here and there, but I couldn't get like really back into it. So like the tumblers and stuff. And I wanted something that I can like get super creative with and make all kinds of like cool, fun stuff. And something that I'm not really good. I made a couple candles here and there, but it's not something that I'm like done so much that I'm really good at. So I wanted something new that I could learn about and do really well, you know? So I ordered a candle making set. Now, the reason I ordered this set, because I have this like spout pour thing that I got from Hobby Lobby. Because like I said, I've made a couple candles, but what I realized, if you're not doing a lot, it's kind of like messy and you lose your candle wax. So I wanted like one of those little electric pots. So that's why I ordered this particular set, because it seemed like it was more cost effective to order it in a kit. So I just want to show it to you. Apparently my Tide is in there. Now that it's just me, I really need to go on and adjust some of my regular subscriptions, because I'm getting a whole lot more of a stockpile than what I need. Okay, it is my candle making kit though. But yeah, I've got a lot. And this is, okay, here's some other stuff. Let me just take all this stuff out. Whoop. And then move the box and I'll show you. And any of you guys that have been with me, you know that I have tons and tons of molds. So I was like, you know, I can use all the molds that I already have. Like, it's a whole thing, right? I'm not sure what's in this box over here. Right, all the stuff. I'm super excited. All right, so let's start. This is the big kit. So this is the brand. I don't know how you would say it, but the box is really pretty that it comes in. And this was $52.99. So I felt like it was a good deal for like everything that it said that you got, instead of just buying the little pot. So this is how it looks packaged. And let's see what all it comes with. So these are just ribbon. We got some blue and some pink ribbon. Some roses, I have some of those. Jasmine, I also have those. Osmanthus, I don't know what that is, but I do have some of that too. Lavender, I have some of that, so that's just all extra. And this is supposed to be organic soy wax. So we got wax. And I have a lot of fragrance already, but here's some more fragrance. We got lemon, we got eucalyptus, peppermint, tea tree, ylang up. I know. I don't know how to say it. And then we got rose. We got jasmine. Lavender. Okay, and then, so these are colors. Here, let me just open one of these real quick. Okay, so the bottle comes like a regular. And then here are the colors. Oh, so these are like little stick colors. Okay. So blue, lemon yellow, bright yellow, brilliant yellow, light green, fresh red, coffee, bright green, grape, fresh green, pink, and orange. So there's those. And then it comes with some heat gloves, little silicone thing here. All right, so some candle jars. Not necessarily what I think I want to use for my jars, but there's a bunch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So honestly, I'll probably use these jars instead of for candles. I'll probably use these to put my mica powder in, if I'm being honest. And some little boxes for the jars. A marker, a spoon. So these are popsicle sticks with a hole in it, which is fine. And I'll probably take one of these and put some holes just to measure it and put some holes in popsicle sticks. Right? And I got the longer ones. I'll probably put holes in it. That's a good idea to hold your wick. Some wicks. So these are short, little short wicks, because I'm sure they're, you know, for that. And then we've got some more wax, which I've got a big, you know, box of wax. Okay, but this is what I was ordering it for, and this is a wax heater. And you know, now that I'm seeing this, I have a little wax. I have a little waxing heater kit from like body wax, like my eyebrows and stuff that I don't use. I probably could have just used that, but it didn't dawn on me because this is like the same thing. But that's fine. I have this little wax heater. But that's what I wanted. Because I have, the one that I got was from Hobby Lobby. It's plastic and it stands up and you open it and it pours. And if I'm doing a lot of wax, that thing's great. But if I'm only doing a little bit, the way it sits, like it can't get down into the little funnel and it wastes, you know, the wax. And then this has some warning stickers for you to put on candles that you make. The stickers for the container, it says enjoy your life, which is fine. I'll put these on because I'm gonna actually use those containers for mica powder, and then I'll just, you know, write what color the mica powder is on there. And then here's some little things for the candles, the little sticky tabs, a little book. All right, maybe I'll just throw some of this stuff back in there to get it out of the way. And I'll show you the other stuff that I got. So, I mean, I don't know. To buy the little heater itself was like 36 bucks. And then the little kit thing was 52. And there's a bunch of different ones. So I kind of thought that it was a better deal. All right, so then I bought this little kit. It obviously doesn't come in a box, but I bought some of this gel wax because I want to do some like fruity little candles. Like I have molds that I can make like blueberries and stuff like that, and I want to make like some pretend little fruity things. That's why I bought that. And then that kit also came with some coloring, and this was like $26, and it came with this and then some coloring, and then apparently it all fell out of this box. But at least with this one I got some bigger wicks and then some more little tabs. All right, so this mold is, this is a maple leaf cylinder. And I don't know if you can see, but when it comes, it will come out with a maple leaf in there. So I was thinking we could do some really pretty stuff with that. And then this one is a Christmas tree. All right, so this one, it's like a little bulb with like, there's a little house and some little Christmas trees around it. And it's like a bulb candle. Listen, when I threw that away, let me show you these because these came the other day. So this one is an angel. So these are like angel wings. So this is the back of it. They're like angel wings. And then the front of it is like an angel with like a flower in the middle. So we'll try that. And then this one is another one that's like a Christmas bulb. Oh, I cut it and the other side was open. So this is another one that's like a Christmas bulb. The problem is, you know, I guess I'll have to put a hole through in order to get the wick. Anyways, so you got Santa, snowman and a stocking. And like some snowflakes. So this is another one that's really cute. So it sits up good this way, but like, I mean, I guess you probably will have to put a hole. I don't know. I haven't done a lot of candles, so I'll be figuring it out. We'll be figuring it out together. And then, so this is little ghosts. How cute are these? So I got one of them. I'm gonna make like some ice for Halloween for my grandkids, and the wax ones you could clean and use for a couple. I would never use anything that I put epoxy in, but like wax or soap, those I'm fine with. But I did get this one that has 2, so I figured I could make them some little ice for Halloween. And I'm gonna make a little ghost candle. And then this is a mold of like coffee beans, because I wanna make like a little latte candle. Like, I'm back and I'm ready to start crafting again, but I just couldn't get back into the epoxy. And I think that it might be because I love that during a time of my life when things were so different, and before my, you know, ex-husband did the things that he did. And now it's just, it's something that, I don't know, maybe the trauma of it, who knows? I don't want to like be that person, but I don't want to be the person that blames somebody else on like not doing something, but for whatever reason, I just can't, my brain can't get back into the epoxy. So, all right, these are pumpkins, but I feel like this is going to be a whole new vibe for me. Pumpkins. And then this has little leaves. Isn't that so cute? And then this one, okay, so I have this big wooden dish, and when I was thinking I could do a whole base, and then I can do different, so I can do like Halloween right on there, and then when Halloween's over, I could probably pull those up, fill in anything new that I need to fill in, whatever, right? And then you know, if I needed to, I could core out and like put a new like little wick and fill it all in and still use that same one without wasting it, and then change it to like fall, right? And then Christmas, look at these. Like, I'm just thinking about the beautiful Christmas display candle I'm gonna be able to make. These, I'm not going to open each one, but they're different size and shapes of Christmas trees. Isn't this so cute? So these are Christmas trees. And then this little stand here, this is because some of the like latte and stuff, I want to make it look like it's got whipped cream. So I got this little stand. It came with 2 little piping bag holders, and it stands in here. But because I'm going to make like some whipped cream candle stuff. Do I know how to do it? Absolutely not. But am I going to figure it out and show you guys everything that I learned? 100%. So that's it. That is everything, and candle making is going to be our new go-to for a little bit. And then we'll see what we move on to from there. All right, listen, I hope you guys have a beautiful, fantastic day. I love you, and I will see you next time. Bye.